Antarctica, a land of extremes. The name sends shivers down your spine, evoking images of endless ice and relentless cold. And not just from the cold, but from the sheer isolation and the raw power of nature. This is a place of raw, untamed beauty. It's also unforgiving, a true test of endurance and resilience. Temperatures plunge way below freezing, often reaching minus 60 degrees Celsius. Winds howl like wolves, reaching speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour. Storms can appear out of nowhere, turning a clear day into a blinding whiteout in minutes. This isn't the wilderness you conquer. It's a place that demands respect and humility. It's the wilderness that reminds you who's boss. A constant reminder of nature's supremacy. Respect it, prepare for it, and you might just survive it. Every step must be calculated, every decision weighed carefully. Underestimate it, and you'll become another cautionary tale. A stark reminder of the perils that lie in this frozen frontier. Think calling 911 will save you in Antarctica? Think again. The vast, icy expanse of this remote continent is unlike any other place on Earth. Out here, help is not a phone call away. The isolation is profound, and the environment is unforgiving. It's often days, even weeks, away. Rescue operations are complex and can be delayed by severe weather conditions. There are no hospitals, no ambulances waiting around the corner. Medical facilities are sparse and often located at research stations. Even the US government can't always reach you instantly. The logistical challenges are immense, and resources are limited. That's why you need to be your own first responder. Pack extra supplies. Learn basic first aid. Equip yourself with knowledge and tools to handle emergencies. Hope for the best, but prepare for the absolute worst. In this extreme environment, self-reliance is not just a skill, it's a necessity for survival. Before you even think about packing your parka, sort out your insurance. And I'm not talking about your average travel insurance. We're talking full-on, heavy-duty coverage. Think medical evacuations, emergency rescues, the works. Because trust me, if something goes south, literally in Antarctica, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg to get back. Section 4. Guides. Your lifeline in the cold. In the vast icy wilderness of Antarctica, survival hinges on expertise and experience. Unless you're an experienced polar explorer, don't even think about going solo. Hire professional guides. These experts are trained to navigate the harshest conditions. These guys are the real deal. They know the terrain, the weather, the dangers. They understand the unpredictable nature of the environment, the weather, the dangers. They'll keep you safe, teach you the ropes, and ensure you are well prepared for any situation. And probably tell you some wild stories around the campfire. Listen to them. Learn from them. Their knowledge is invaluable. They might just save your life. In the end, their expertise could be the difference between a successful adventure and a perilous ordeal. Section 5. Stay informed. Every detail matters. Knowledge is power, especially in Antarctica. Sign up for the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program, also known as STEP. It's a lifesaver, literally. The US government uses it to send alerts about emergencies, weather changes, or penguin stampedes. Okay, maybe not the last one. Stay updated, stay informed, stay alive.